friends! Welcome back to my treehouse. I have a special friend here to help us make some pictures using some magic rainbow paper.
Hi friends.
We're each going to draw a special picture and try to guess what they are along the way. Let's go! I have my paper and my friend has her paper. This paper is really special because every time you draw a line, it reveals a rainbow. So far, my paper is turning pink. What color is yours turning?
Mine's turning blue and blue.
That's so cool.
And red.
This paper is so much fun. It starts off black, but as you draw, it turns into rainbow colors. And all you need is a stick.
Mine starts turning yellow.
I love that color. Friends, do you know what she's drawing? Do you have any guesses of what that is? What is it, friend? Let's tell them.
It's a forest.
It's looking really good.
A snowy forest.
Ooh.
That one looks really good. And when you're drawing and black starts to come.
You can just blow it away.
Or you could just shake it off.
That's a good idea too.
That's what I do with
Whoops, that's okay. You can just use the other end of your stick.
Yeah. Look at mine starting to turn all the colors of the rainbow.
Ooh. It looks like if you color over here, it's a different color. If you color over here, it's a different color. There's different colors everywhere. It really makes for a pretty picture. Can you tell what mine's turning out to be?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
It looks like a fish tank.
That's right. There's some fish. I have some bubbles.
Maybe you could draw some seaweed.
Ooh, here we go. Got some green seaweed.
Pink, blue.
So many cool colors. I'll put some waves at the top of mine to make it look like it's under the water. Maybe some rocks.
This looks really good.
Thank you. Yours looks amazing. I love your trees and your flower. It's yellow. And guess what? That almost looks like red. My favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Red.
The same. Friends, shout out your favorite color to me at home.
some of you might have this at home, right?
Right. You can pick up this special paper at any craft store.
I don't know what craft store this would be at. Really.
Twinkle loves your picture. I love watching the colors reveal themselves. It is so satisfying.
I'm gonna add some glass.
Do they have grass underwater?
No,
Oops! Now they do.
just a little bit. That kind of looks like seaweed.
Oh yeah! Seaweed on the rocks.
And sometimes when we went to a cottage, we found some seaweed on some rocks.
That's right! Sometimes if you go to a lake or a cottage and they have a big open water, you'll find lots of seaweed, especially on the beach. Some seaweed can be really slimy.
Or maybe in a fish tank, like you're drying. And we have a fish at home.
I think I'm done mine.
I'm almost done.
What do you friends think? Do you like my fish aquarium? How many fish do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. My friend is just finishing up her picture. It's such a cool forest. One time, I went on an adventure in a forest looking for treasure. Ooh, I love your sun. That looks so cool.
I think I'm just gonna add one more.
Ooh.
Some trees have like barns on them.
Ooh, like the bark?
Yeah.
That's really good texture. I like how it brings out the color in the trees.
Yeah, I'm done.
That is such a beautiful picture. Friends, do you know how many trees there are? Can you count them with my friend?
1, 2.
Perfect! 2 trees! That was so much fun! Thanks for stopping by my Treehouse today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social channels at Popz Treehouse to stay up to date on new videos and fun content for kids.